Hello dear children. So today let us begin with the exercise 9.5. It is the exercise that is little different out of all the exercises because here we are going to use some identities. As you people are using some formulas in other chapters, no, like mensuration you use formula of perimeter, you use formula of area. Same way in algebra we use some identities as you people see over here. We are writing here by identities using the variable a, b and x. Now it's your wish which variable you want to use to write down identities. It will be the same only. I've taken first identity with a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means whenever a bracket is having a square and you need to open the bracket, without breaking you can just apply both the values in this given identity, you will get your answer. This is the meaning of identity. In case you are having a negative sign bracket and having a square, you can put your values in this identity. In case you are having both the brackets with the same term but change of sign, one bracket is with positive sign and other is with negative, so its answer will be this. And in case your first term of the brackets is same but second term is different, then you will apply this identity. How to apply that I will tell you. Like here is the question number 1, use suitable identity. There is a question number 2, identity is given, which identity you need to use in the question. So today we'll do first and second question, and I have written the parts also. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and seventh. These parts will be done from question number 1. I have begun with part 1. It is x plus 3, x plus 3. Two brackets were getting multiplied. So whenever there are two brackets, similar two brackets are combined, you can write them in the form of square also. So it is x plus 3 whole square, and we can use our identity. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. How to apply that? You need to see what is at the place of a and what is at the place of b. Do the comparison over here. X is at the place of a, 3 is at the place of b. So replace all the values by the value from the bracket. At the place of a, write down x, two places. At the place of b, write down 3 and 3. B was also 2 times, a was also 2 times. This two will remain the same. Fine. So now solving x square. Square means x multiplied by x. X multiplied by x is adding on the powers. 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into x is 6x. So our answer is x square plus 6x plus 9. There is no need to break the powers. Break the brackets. Just apply on identity. Similar is the second. This is with the negative sign. So it becomes 2a minus 7 whole square. And our identity we are using here is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is 2a square minus 2a. Why? Because at the place of a is 2a. So don't consider that both are a, I can skip them. No. At the place of a, it is whole 2a. At the place of b, it is 7. So at the place of a, write down 2a. And at the place of b, write down 7 and then solve them. So it's 2a square. 2a square means 2a into 2a. 2 2s are 4. Power of a will be added. So it will be a square. So it's 4a square. 2 2s are 4, 7s are 28a. 7 7s are 49. Fine. This is with the positive sign I have solved one. This is with the negative sign I have solved one. In case you people are having brackets where at both the places variables are given. For example, my bracket is 3x plus 5y whole square. So in that case, this whole will be a, this whole will be b. 3x पूरे का पूरा a की जगह पे आएगा, पूरे का पूरा 5y b की जगह पे आएगा. ठीक है, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना अगर दोनों जगह वेरिएबल आए. सो देन आई हैव टेकन फिफ्थ पार्ट. इट इज 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. 1.1 m 1.1 m both are same. 0.4 same. Only difference is there is a negative sign, there is a positive sign. But now you people will say, ma'am, we have done identity with positive sign first and negative sign. Beta multiply hai. If you write down 5 into 4 or you write down 4 into 5, these both are same, so these are also same. I can write it a plus b, a minus b also, or I can write it a minus b and a plus b also. Fine. So here we are using this identity, a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Separated squares are there now. So first value whole square, second value whole square. Whole square means 1.1 m into 1.1 m, 0.4 into 0.4. Solve them and write down your answers. That was your question number 1. In question number 2, you need to solve parts from 1 to 6. 1 to 6, those are written over there, mentioned there. 1 to 6. And I am solving here part 2, part 3, part 5 and part 6. 2 parts are left, you will be solving. So let us begin with part 2. It's 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1. Now what do you need to see on in these identities here? That your first term should be same, second terms can be different. If first term is same, that is at the place of x. Fine. And then you need to replace all the values in its answer, in its identity. At the place of x is 4x, at the place of a is 5, at the place of b is 1. So replacing all in this side, x square 4x square, a plus b 5 plus 1 because a plus b value is 5 and 1, into x into 4x, this means into, ये bracket के साथ multiply हो रहा है, plus a into b, so 5 into 1. Just you need to replace the values by observing that which is at which place. Now 4x into 4x, 4 4s are 16, x into x, x square, 5 plus 1, पहले आप प्लस करोगे फिर बाहर मल्टीप्लाई. 5 plus 1 is 6 into 4x, 5 into 1 is 5. 16x square plus 6 4s are 24x plus 5. This is your answer. In case you people are having negative signs, we don't have any identity with the negative sign here. So it means you need to create. How you need to create? Taking the negative sign with the a and b in this way. Keep positive sign in the center, then plus minus will become minus automatically. So minus 5 will be the value of a, minus 1 will be the value of b, this will remain the value of x. And similarly all the signs will be changed. A plus b, minus 5 plus minus 1, minus minus plus ho jayega, so it is minus 6 into 4, it is minus 24x. Minus 5 into minus 1, it's plus 5, so it's plus 5 over here because both are the negative signs, so it will be plus. Both are the negative signs, it will be plus. So this will be your answer over here. Fine. In case you are having one negative sign, then other bracket will remain as it is. Second bracket you people will write like this first. Part 5. It was very easy. Just I took because there were two variables. I thought you people will not be confused if I am solving this part over here. So 2x is at the place of x. Both are the same. First term is same. At the place of a is 5y. At the place of b is 3y. So x square 2x square plus a plus b 5y plus 3y into x is 2x plus a into b 5y into 3y. 4x square plus 8y into 2x. 8 how? 5 plus 3 8 y and y into 2x plus 15. Y into y is square. 4x square plus 16xy plus 15 square. Similar is your sixth part. The only difference in this part is one square was already given over here. So you need to consider that square also while doing squares. 2a square whole square. Now it will be 2a square into 2a square. So 2 2s are 4. Powers of a. 2 plus 2, 4. So it's 4a4. At the place of x, 2a square will come. A and b will be 9 plus 5 into x, 9 into 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 2s are 28a square. 9 into 5, 45. So in this way, please solve out your exercise 9.5, question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1, these parts. Question number 2, parts 1 to 6. Thank you.